Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own crystal elixir at home. So this is going to be a DIY tutorial on how you can make your crystal infused water. So gem elixirs are actually energy medicine and they are really good for your health. So first off, you will need a jug or a cup. You will also need some water. So I have some purified water here. You can use tap if you prefer, but I have some purified water. And then also you will need the crystals that you will want to use. So the crystals I've decided to use for my crystal elixir water is shungite stones. So these are really great to prevent colds if you're feeling a bit run down. So shungite can actually purify water due to the crystal's carbon content. So shungite's high carbon content basically acts as a natural high filtering capacity for water, which basically just means that these crystals can alter water by purifying and energizing it, plus enriching it with minerals. So there's even science that backs up that shungite is great for water purification because it raises calcium, oxygen, magnesium and other essential mineral content to your basic H2O. So I'm going to fill my glass with water. And then I'm going to be taking my shungite stones and I'm going to make sure that I've cleansed them and charged them before, and also making sure that they are clean. And then all you want to do is you want to basically just drop them in. And you can do this the other way around. You can actually just put your crystals in and then you can put your water. There's no actual method into how you do it, but it's just quite satisfying watching them drop in. So now that your crystals are in your water, you now want to basically charge this. So what I would do, I would just leave this to sit for 6 hours. That way I'm making sure the shungite has fully infused the water. So a really important tip is that when you are choosing crystals, you want to make sure that they are not toxic. Some crystals are actually toxic and you cannot use them for crystal elixirs. So please Google what crystals you want to use and to see if they are safe for crystal elixirs. So you can actually use different coloured crystals and it will look really pretty, but to be honest, I love the shungite crystal elixir because I find it really powerful. So other crystals you can use that are perfect for crystal elixirs is clear quartz, rose quartz, amethyst, smoky quartz. So you want to use the crystals that have the right properties for what you are trying to do. So obviously for the health benefits, this is why I've chosen this one. So that is my tutorial. Really easy to do. Doesn't take long at all, and you can do it in the comfort of your home and you can experience these benefits. So like I say, I'm going to let this charge for 6 hours and then I can drink it. So yeah, please let me know what you thought of the video, if you like these types of mini tutorial videos of how you can make these kind of crystal elixirs. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm sending you all so much love and light.